Hello friends, I quickly discuss our basic classification of capacitor. So capacitor value is mainly classified in two types. First one is fixed capacitor, second one is variable capacitor. Fixed capacitor are those capacitor whose capacitance value is made fixed at the time of manufacturing and it can't be changed further. Variable capacitor are those capacitance whose capacitance value can be changed further. Fixed capacitor are classified in two types mainly. First one is polarized, second one is non-polarized. Similarly, variable capacitor is classified in two types mainly. First one is tuning, second one is trimming. So, polarized capacitor is further classified in two types. First one is electrolytic, second one is supercapacitor. And electrolytic capacitor is further classified in three types. First one is tantalum, aluminum and niobium. Similarly, supercapacitor is further classified in three types: double layer, pseudo and hybrid. Similarly, non-polarized capacitor is further classified into various types as glass, air, film, ceramic, vacuum, etc. Similarly, trimming capacitor is further classified into two types: air trimmer, ceramic trimmer. Thank you.